this is how it looks when it first came out of the packaging. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up look. I'm cutting the lace. I'm trying not to cut it in a straight line. So now I'm cutting the last piece of lace off. There's 3 combs, as well as adjustable strap and an elastic band. Just gonna whip that on really quick. And now this is a glueless wig. I was gonna do it glueless, but since it has the bun in the top, I didn't want it to slide back, so I did spray it with my Got To Be blasting freeze spray. And I'm just gonna melt that down into my scalp with the toothbrush. When the spray is tacky, now I'm going to go ahead and tie it up with my silk scarf to let that melt in my head and let it dry up and adhere before I mess with my baby hair. So I'm going to leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take it off. I'm just molding my baby hairs with some mousse that I got from the dollar store. No fancy expensive hair products over here. And I had to mess with that baby hair a few different times to get it how I want it to go. I would recommend cutting it a little bit. That's why I have the pieces at the top, because I didn't cut it, but it's all good. Tie it down again with my scarf to make sure it's dry and it's on there, because I did not use a blow dryer for this install. Wanted to show you guys real quick on how to install this Braids Queen wig. I am loving it. It's a 13 by 5 lace parting area. It is 30 inches. She is 30 inches, so she comes down to, I'm trying to get on my tippy toes to show you guys. And the color is Ombre. It is a 1B/30, so it is giving me the little highlight vibes. I am in love with it. I love that it has the bun at the top. You can wear it in a ponytail, but I decided to do the bun. Now the baby hair, I really couldn't figure it out. I had to cut it a little bit just to make it blend in, because I didn't want it stuck up on the braids, even though some of it is. It is 100% hand braided, high quality. I think you call it kakelon or kinkula. I don't know how to say it. And it has ultra soft lace, so you don't have to worry about it rubbing out your edges. But I am loving it. Show you guys a close-up on the braids. I am loving the braids. I am loving the color. I am upstairs in my room this time, so I have the natural lighting going, so hopefully you guys can see it. I'm in love with it. Gonna take some pictures. Make sure you guys check out Braids Queen.